Hey everybody, my name is Jameson and welcome to my shop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm excited to announce we've actually hit 400 subscribers, so thank you so much for following along with my random adventures. It's awesome. It motivates me to keep showing you the crazy stuff that I make in my shop. What I am not showing you is the giant display cabinet that I've been working on the last few weeks, which found its way to a home. So I'll show that right, here. Now it's 96 inches by 65 inches tall, self-closing drawer guides, big frosted glass window panes, shelves. It's a beautiful unit, custom-made fluted molding. I was very happy with how it turned out, and now it's on to the other projects. So that one I didn't really want to showcase because it's a normal build. I have some other random stuff that's going on. Maybe I will show more of that in the future, but anyways, here's the latest thing, my shop. I have a boat sitting in the middle of it, and this is my new bass boat. It is a Lowe's Scorpion. No self-respecting fish carver is really a diehard until they have their boat of their dreams. I'm fortunate to have an amazing wife who let me fulfill my childhood dream of owning an amazing boat. Anyways, let me show you one of the fun projects I've been working on the side. In my opinion, no boat is truly done or complete until it's got a little piece of you in it. So of course I had to make a decal. Console, meet, decal. Now that is a 16-inch smallmouth bass that I made in Photoshop. Took it to my local laser cut printer person. I'm gonna stick it on there. Hopefully it looks good. Ta-da! It looks sick. So, play with Photoshop. It's worth it. This thing cost me, I think, $18 18 bucks for a custom thing no one else has, just me. And it's legit. Check it out. Thanks for stopping by, and stay tuned because I am back onto the Tyrannosaurus Rex project, and I am just about done. I have to have it done within the month, so stay tuned for that. And my shop's a disaster.